All right, man. What I'm doing, man, I'm bolting this transmission. I got this transmission code P0740. All right, so what I'm doing is taking this transmission out. Specifically so I can, they brought me a torque converter, but I don't just operate like that. I mean, sure, the multiple times I see this code, P0740, I end up replacing the torque converter, but I'm not just gonna pull the torque converter out and put a new torque converter in, okay? I will actually take the front pump out, make sure it's okay too, because the code, like I say, generally gonna indicate you need to replace the torque converter, but if you wanna be on the safe side, go through it partially. You can partially go through it and make sure nothing else that rides on the torque converter is at fault. Because what I did first, keep in mind, take the pan off and take a look inside of the pan. And what I did find was excessive amount of clutch debris, okay, which generally comes from the torque converter. So I'm going to end up replacing this torque converter, but that's not all I'm going to do. All right, I'm gonna take that pump out and check it also, because I got a new torque converter right here. All right, so here's what the typical mechanic would do. Like I said, they would just drop the trans, pull the old torque converter out, and put in a new torque converter, okay? But I just don't want to gamble like that after seeing what was inside the pan. All right, because you very well could have some internal problems. So I'm gonna take this pump out and check the veins in the pump and make sure, because there's some seals right there inside of here, shaft seals that actually, you know, ride on the torque converter. Not necessarily ride on it, but it has a big role in that code. So look at that code deep. It tells you to check, you know, the pump. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And if it's okay, I'm gonna reuse the pump, but I just can't floop and then put back in. I can't operate like that. So let me get this transmission, get this pump tool apart, and we'll go from there. Like I said, I already changed the fluid and the filter, and it had an excessive amount of clutch debris. That's normally why that code, that's normally why a torque converter fails. The clutch is inside of it. A lot of people seem to forget a torque converter actually has clutches in it, and they wear like any other clutch. So basically, over time, you essentially will end up replacing it. The thing about a torque converter, it has its own fault code name. I'm not sure the algorithm that the TCM used to detect that the torque converter is slipping, but it has a way of telling the computer that the torque converter is slipping, possibly worn out, and it will give you the indication through a fault code, okay? So I'm not sure how the algorithm is set up and how it determines that, but hey, based on the fault code and the car's under warranty, we essentially had to tear it down, figure out what's wrong, and put it back together and let it go. So I don't want to hold y'all long. There's no sense in me recording me. I'm gonna pull this pump off and check and make sure everything, the veins and everything inside of the pump is good, and replace the torque converter. I've already replaced the filter. Do not do any kind of job like that without changing the fluid in the filter or checking the fluid in the filter, because your goal is to see. That magnet will tell you a lot about the condition of the trans. If you have excessive clutch material in that pan, there's likely a clutch pack that failed. It could be in the input clutch assembly, or it could be in the back, or it could be the compound that has clutches in it too. So, but because I had the P0740, I'm obligated to check that torque converter and assume that it's the torque converter. But y'all know me, I don't go off assumption, okay? So I'm gonna get with this, man. I'll get back with y'all later. Let me get this job complete. Thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.